Are you seeing Hulu error code P-DEV320? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy solutions that you can use to fix it. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. Method 1. Try another device or restart the device. Well, the easiest solution to resolve this crisis is to try opening the Hulu app in another device. If it works, then great. And if not, then you need to try out the solutions that we have in store for you. Along with this, you can also try restarting your existing device and see if Hulu is working or not. Now, if these methods haven't worked, then let's move on to the next solutions. Method 2. Update the Hulu app. Once your attempt of opening the app in another devices or restarting the devices has failed, then this is your logical next step. Depending on whether you are using Android, iOS, Xbox, or any other platform, simply update the Hulu app. More often than not, a non-updated app leads to such errors, and once updated, they tend to work without fail. Method 3. Clear cookies and caches. The next solution that you need to consider is clearing the caches and cookies for Hulu. Now, depending on the device you're using, you will usually find this option in the storage or privacy section of your device. Let's say if you're using an Android device, then you will need to go to Settings, then navigate to the option Apps, and inside it find Hulu and tap on it. Once you are there, find Storage and Cache and clear what you want to. Similarly, for iOS devices, you cannot clear the cache. You need to uninstall and reinstall the app. Method 4. Check your internet connection. Sometimes the Hulu error code P-DEV320 can pop up due to issues with your internet connection. So, if you have tried all the previously mentioned methods and they haven't worked, then there is chance that your internet connection is the villain here. So, restart the router and modem and see if this issue is resolved or not. Also, you can use any third-party apps to check the internet speed. Method 5. Check if the Hulu server is down or not. Well, if you have come this far, it means you are still struggling to solve this error. Well, in that case, you need to check if the Hulu server is down or not. You can use websites like Down Detector to check if there are any issue with the Hulu server or not. And if you find any problem, then wait for a bit for it to resolve. And you should be able to access the app easily. And there you have it. 5 easy ways to resolve Hulu error code P-DEV320. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.